Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I rearrange my living room. And yeah, before I get started, if you're new here, I want to say big thank you to you for coming to watch my video, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming and watching my video. Please, if you're new, please push the subscribe button down below and also push the bell sign down below so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a video. Guys, you can also share my content with your friends and family that are interested in home decor, cleaning, cooking videos like the ones I upload on my channel. I also have a second channel and where I make videos on hair, makeup, braided wig, cornrows, and yeah, I have a second channel and it's IVJ TV. And yeah, so you can go on my second channel if you're interested in wigs and hair. So what we're doing here is just trying to put the TV up. I did try to put the TV up. The TV was up, but it was not stable. I didn't do a proper job. It was wiggling and I was scared that it's going to fall down. So I had to call in a professional to help me install the TV on the wall. So he came in and installed the TV on the wall, and this was just, I was so grateful for that because the one I did was just a complete mess. So yeah, he just installed the TV and I went ahead and did the other part. Guys, I've always wanted a customized wall in the house, but right now everything is locked down. Like, as for that I'm talking right now, is locked down. You can't contact anybody to come help you fix it. And yeah, so I was like, and it's also very pricey as well. So I'm like, okay, what else can I do as for now to just change a little bit of the space, like to change this area of the house. So yeah, I came up with this idea. The original idea was to use this bookshelf to decorate the my office downstairs. So that was my original plan for those bookshelves. So what we did is just put up the TV for me, and I was supposed to paint the wall before the TV went up, but because I forgot that part, and he wasn't that he was there, and he was like, nah, I can't wait for you to do that, I have to go. So I had to like let him install the TV, and then I went back and paint the wall. So at first I used the wrong paint to paint the wall. Before the paint dries, I have to quickly wipe it down and use the right paint to paint the wall, because now I didn't want two different shades of gray on the wall. So I had to wipe it down and paint it with the right color. Guys, if you are painting the wall, please make sure you have something on the floor to protect your floor, so that when the paint drips on the floor, you can just take that, like it would drip on the towel or whatever you put on the wall. I didn't do that. My floor was full of paint. I have to like clean and mop. Like, you have to do it fast before it dries up, because if it dries up, it's harder. It's like really hard to get off. So yeah, please make sure you put something on the ground before you start painting any wall in your house. So yeah, as you can see here, I finally got the proper paint to paint the wall to match with the previous paint that I used to paint this wall. I painted the wall last year during lockdown. I used a light gray for the main floor and a darker gray for the washroom. So I decided to just switch the color of the wall last year. So I'm using the same color as well right now to just paint that spot that was not the same, that did not match. So after finished painting, I went ahead to clean around it, to sweep and mop, and wait a little bit so that the paint can dry a little bit. It takes a while for the paint to dry, but because the spot was not too big, so it didn't really take much for it to dry. So after the paint was dry, I just went ahead, pushed my fireplace back, plug everything in, my internet, the IPTV, the cable. I just plugged everything in, and yeah, started moving the bookshelf towards the TV. So you guys are going to see how this look at the end. I love the outcome. It's actually better than what I had in mind. I didn't think it's going to come out right, and like it's going to come out this good. So I was really surprised that it actually turned out really well. And yeah, so guys, are you guys interested in home decor videos? What is it that you guys want to see on my channel? If you subscribe to my channel, and do you guys like videos like this? Do you like the cooking and cleaning with me? What video do you guys prefer more? Guys, another thing I wanted to mention on this video, or in this video, was that when I wipe my TV, I usually use a glass cleaner or window cleaner to clean my TV, until one day my coworker told me, like, Ivy, I was watching your videos and you were using window cleaner or glass cleaner to clean your TV. I'm like, yeah, I've been using it. I've always used that to clean my TV. And she's like, you're not supposed to do that, you know that. I was like, no, I didn't know. So I learned something that day. Since that day, I never clean my TV with anything else except from water and J cloth, and just use paper towel to clean it down. So yeah, I went ahead and put that the bookshelf in the proper place, clean it up, and I started decorating this this bookshelf. As you can see, my daughter was not having it. She's like, no, I want to watch TV right now, and I want to watch TV here. She went ahead and she put Barbie. I had to tell her, Isabel, it's not going to work because I'm going to get copyright from YouTube. I think so. I wasn't even sure. I'm like, I'm going to get copyright. Can you please go watch it in you guys' playroom? So yeah, that's the reason you can see Barbie playing at the background. So yeah, she turned it off, and I just went ahead and decorated the bookshelf. For the bookshelf, guys, I wanted to decorate the bookshelf with a lot of books and that. I'm like, no, I don't want books in here. I just want things that, you know, that I love to see. And we have bookshelf downstairs. Like, we have too many bookshelves in the house. I don't need to put more bookshelf with, like, a shelf with book anywhere else. So yeah, I just went ahead and decorated the bookshelf with the items that I love. And some of the items was like, I love plants, so I love to decorate with plants and flowers. So I decorated this the two bookshelves with a lot of plants, picture frame for my kids when they were like babies, my picture frame. So yeah, I just decorated that spot. Yeah, as you can notice, I love plants, guys. I love plants. Anything plants. Count me in, count me in. So yeah, if you guys are also obsessed with plants, guys, let me know. Would you be interested in me making a video on how you can use plants to decorate your space? What kind of plants you can use? For me, I use fake plants, I use real plants. There is actually plants in every room. Yeah, there's plants in every room. It can be fake, it can be real, it can be small, it can be big, but there will be a plant. You will see plants everywhere you enter in this house. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in videos like that on how to use plants, what kind of plants to buy, and how to take care of your plants, leave a comment down below, and I will be so happy to film that videos for you. So yeah, so as you can see, I went ahead and decorated it, put up my palm tree. I love this palm tree. And one thing about me, when it comes to plant, I tend to change my plant every six months, depending, because you know, there are plants that are good for summer, there are plants that are good for winter. So I tend to change my plants every 6 months. So at the beginning of the video, you can see that the plants that I had was different from the one I'm using right now. And I love this plant because it is so beautiful. It's really easy to maintain, and yeah. So I okay, stop talking about plant. So this is the final look of this um living room decoration or transformation, and I hope you guys love it. Please leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Inside the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.